Baltimore City Mayor Catherine Pugh is out of the hospital and talking about that controversial deal she made with the University of Maryland Medical System while she was on its board of directors. She held what she called a news conference last night at City Hall, but then refused to answer any questions about the sale of those Healthy Holly books. WMAR 2 News' Megan Knight has new details this morning live from City Hall. A recap of that bizarre news conference where she said some things, even unveiled some children's clothing, and didn't answer any questions. Megan?
Yeah, still a lot of questions left unanswered, Christian, after that 20-minute news conference. And after weeks, though, of controversy surrounding her $500,000 book deal with the University of Maryland Medical System, of which she sat on the board for nearly 2 decades, Mayor Catherine Pugh finally sharing some of the arrangements and the details of that book deal at that news conference early yesterday evening. Now, some of the highlights and takeaways from that news conference: she said that there was no formal contract between her and UMMS to purchase about 100,000 copies of the book for a price tag of $500,000. Pugh says that shipments of her first 3 Healthy Holly books were sent to Baltimore City Public Schools. That was supposedly the intention of UMMS buying up all of those books, and she showed documents of what she said were shipping manifests for those books. UMMS did purchase the last 2 books in the Healthy Holly series. However, according to Pugh, shipping was delayed for book number 4, and book number 5 still has yet to be produced. Pugh says that's why she gave back $100,000 to the medical system. The mayor admitted that not having a contract with UMMS was a, quote, regrettable decision.
I understand the concerns that have been raised by members of our community. As you well know, we've made some disclosures. This was indeed an unintended consequence.
Now, Baltimore City Schools sent out a statement regarding those shipping manifests that Pugh showed at the news conference, and they said, quote, "As we have indicated, city schools have not located documentation of receipt of the books. The shipping manifest provided today by Mayor Pugh had not been shared with us previously." They went on to say that they will be reviewing those manifests that the mayor showed yesterday. Now, another big issue in all of this has been where these books have gone, tens of thousands of them still unaccounted for. Mayor Pugh saying that she's aware of a few thousand copies of the book that are sitting in a warehouse right off Pulaski Highway, and she says that she intends to try to retrieve those books so that she can distribute them to kids in Baltimore City. We're live at City Hall. I'm Megan Knight, WMAR 2 News.